What is happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in the shop kind of getting some things done. Dom's here. We're gonna be kind of doing some things on his car. We have someone that's super interested in the car, which is awesome. We've had a lot of people that were interested and had money but just kind of like disappeared. So we got a pretty serious guy that is interested, so we're gonna knock out like a compression test for him because he wants to see the health of the motor, which I'm pretty confident in, so I'm not really worried about it. And then we're gonna kind of just get the car ready for if he comes to get it next week. This could be potentially the last time you guys see the car, or one of the last times you see the car. So we're gonna kind of get it ready for him. This car is like super ridiculously maintained, as you guys always see. So we're gonna give him a fresh oil change and kind of detail it up a little bit for him. He is taking it with the stock wheels and tires, so these will come off. So if anybody's interested in some RPF ones, 17 by 8, right? Yeah. So 17 by 8 with a plus 35 offset, with, you know, I don't even know what these are in the back. Toyo Proxy R's, R1Rs in the back, and R888s in the front. So if you're interested, let us know. And yeah, but anyway, yeah, just kind of going through this thing. I got this new tool here for the fuel pump hat in the car. It has like little ears that go down, just because hitting it with a hammer and stuff is really not what I want to do. So it's just a tool that has like little things that go around here so that you can get behind here and turn it with a wrench, and that way we can get that off and get our new pump in there and ready to go. I got, like last episode, I got my PI fuel system kind of mocked up. There's a couple fittings I gotta order. These are check valves that come with it. I don't think I'm gonna use these, so I'm just gonna get new fittings that will go in and mate with the little fuel manifold that goes here. And yeah, kind of get that situated and ready to go. I got a piece of false flooring for the trunk that I've shown you guys that will go down, and then the fuel tank and stuff will sit on top of it. But man, it's so nice to see the cars just like clean and like in a real nice space where there's not like clutter and all sorts of stuff. It's just, I'm so happy to see the 6. I always forget that I put those taillights on from M6 Customs. Yeah, they look really good. I got the Evil M badge to put on the back. Probably keep the Speed 6 maybe. I don't know, I might get rid of it. But yeah, I mean, maybe do some cosmetic stuff over the winter. But before we get to work, we have so much happening in the next week. It's disgusting.
It's crazy.
Like,
insane.
You guys know the RX-8's almost done, and I am not even gonna hide it from you. Like, we're going to pick it up. Like, we have a date set and everything. Like, it's happening. So things are about to get wild, and the content is about to get super like nuts. Like, it's gonna be great though. Like, I say nuts, but it's great because we're gonna have cars that, you know, may not have stuff that needs anything done to them, but we're gonna have other cars that do need stuff done to them. You know, we got a fully electric car here that we might do freaking snow donuts in or something. I don't know, whatever.
Something stupid to do in it.
But anyway, RX-8 is upon completion, and we are gonna go pick it up. Completion from the fab work, major fab work, I should say. And we're gonna be going to pick that up soon. Man, you guys also have been crushing it with sales through us at Spooling Up Performance, and I can't thank you guys enough. We don't even have a website live yet, and trust me, I'm working on it. You guys, I don't have enough hours in the day for the stuff that I do day-to-day basis, but yeah, you guys are crushing it. If you guys need parts, let me know. I've set people up with tons of PI systems and turbo setups and stuff like that, so hit me up. It's not all I can get you, suspension, whatever you want, but yeah, we're gonna get some stuff done to the 6. Maybe get a little compression test done on the Speed 3. That'll be quick and easy. Yeah. And then, yeah, go from there. So we'll see you in a minute.
Oh boy.
So here's your fuel level float. Got the pump assembly out. So all I gotta do is get this top portion off, get the inner part out of the basket, and the pump just sits in here. So probably gonna get the rest, dump the rest of this fuel into the tank or out in a bucket, and then start disassembling this thing real quick so I can get the new pump in. I mean, yeah. Explanatory, my tank is super full. I filled it with gas.
Oh my, yeah, so it was just brimming.
Yeah, I literally, when I got the car running to diagnose it, I had drove it to the gas station and it filled up. So, of course, it didn't help my case. But yeah, we're gonna get this thing apart so we can get our new Walbro 255 up in here. Not like we need it. We could have put a stock pump in, but
so you might as well.
It's already got a Deechworks 65W, I think it is in there, but I just really don't trust Deechworks pumps. So Walbro it is. All right, so there's the Deechworks 65C that I knew was in there.
Right.
And basically what we're gonna replace it with is this guy. This is basically a drop-in replacement. This is a Walbro 255. Part number right there. It's the GSS 342. If you guys need one, I'm right here. I can get you one. So, yeah, it's basically just gonna be a reverse of what we did here. I believe I gotta take this little guy off of here, swap that over, and then this will basically just drop in, just like so. So, pretty cool. Same exact thing. I'll take this off, and we'll be good to go. So I'm gonna do a little switcherooski, and then we should be ready to rock. So we did all the compression tests on all the cylinders already. We went 432. It was like 165, 169-ish, 163 or 4, and then this one we already did, but we just want to show you. This one came out to like 165-ish. Yep. Yeah, we don't have the battery hooked up. Battery died.
I literally just pulled it up.
Yeah, but we just had it hooked up to. We gotta put it on the battery tender because a light was left on, so the battery was super low. So yeah, so it was like 165. We have all the pictures. I just sent them over to the guy. It was 160. I think it was like 165, 160 something. They were all in the 160 range, so 160 to 170. So yeah, pretty good, man. Motor stout. Thing makes thing thumps hard, man. It takes like 3 cranks and it's already at max compression. It's like crazy. So motor's in good health. So we're gonna do a fresh spark plug change, gap those nice, and then oil change, and kind of just start cleaning it up, man, because could have a potential new owner next week.
Pretty crazy.
It is pretty crazy. It'll be missed, but more things to come.
It ain't over yet.
Nah. But sweet. So that's done. We gotta worry about that. I got the Speed 6 fuel pump just apart on the floor. The Walbro pump is definitely a thicker boy than the Deechworks there. So
it's a tight fit.
It's in. That's all I'm gonna say. But I am an idiot, and I don't know where I put my new fuel sock. So I might be SOL on putting it back in the car unless I find it. But I might have to get another one. That's just my own dang fault. So it is what it is. But yeah, we're gonna get this thing kind of just halfway buttoned up because we're gonna get some new plugs for it tomorrow. I don't have any on hand. That's something we're definitely gonna put in stock. Yeah. Plugs, oil, coolant, oil filters, all that crap is gonna be like on a shelf, ready to rock. But cool, that's done. Let's get back to this. All right, so we got the pump back together. So we're gonna kind of wiggle this in there and kind of orient it the same way we had it. Get the float in there, and then get this return. Actually, I think it's a Venturi setup for the other saddle tank. What is that? Oh, that's the plug.
What is that?
I'm like, I'm missing something already.
Oh god.
Oh boy, that's fuel. She's a full tank, guys. All right, so that's in. And then basically all I gotta do is get the trim ring on there, which is
behind you.
Gotta maneuver this in here again. They don't really give you a whole lot of room.
They could have made it a little easier.
A tad bit. But yeah, so I'm just gonna get this ring back on and
call it a day.
Yeah,
upgrade pump.
Plug it back in. Now it's got a Walbro 255. And I got this fancy tool. Got it on Amazon. So I'll use this to tighten everything down real quick. Oh, buddy, that's fuel and disgusting right there. Yeah. I'll be back in a second, Dom. Give me a rag. Crisis averted.
Had some liquid sound deadening for a second there. Oh.
Hey-o. Tight enough.
Bam.
All right, so now all I gotta do is plug this bad girl in right here. A little something like that. And then
Pop the plate back on.
pop this bad girl in and whatever way it goes. Like that. Zip these damn near screws in and we'll be all set. Boom. DI is done. Now we move on to PI. Corey showed up and he brought some new gifts for the shop. We got a compressor. This will be literally plenty for what we do.
You think? I thought it was just
I think for now it'll be plenty. Until we get like real deal, but this is gonna be good for like, you know, airing up tires for the track, you know, minimal impact tools that don't need a lot of like continuous air pressure.
Yeah.
But I think that's gonna do us good for now, especially the deal you got it for.
Oh, yeah.
Like ridiculous. He got new wheel dollies, the ones we were telling you about to put underneath the wheels of the cars. And then those tire rack, wall rack mounts that we were telling you about, and then some line. And then, yo, tell them about the goods over there.
Oh, yeah, I haven't even opened them yet. They've been sitting in my living room.
He's been wanting to do this for like 2 years and finally pulled the trigger on it. It's gonna allow us to kind of be creative in our own ways. So what is this?
So it's the dip sprayer.
So it's like a dip your car pro line sprayer?
Yeah, this is the one they recommend for like professionals.
What the? Dude, that's legit. I thought it was just like a spray gun with a hopper.
Yeah,
I didn't know it had all this.
Yeah, this is their turbine pump. It's the one they use in all their videos, and it's, I mean, I'm no professional, but
yeah,
we'll make do.
Dang, it comes with like
Brake Dust Pro.
A bunch of stuff, man.
Spray bottle. Yeah, man.
So hose, is that for like the air to go through, or is that for making it like...
It hooks up to the, well, you thread it in, that goes to the fancy spray gun.
Dude, that thing's legit.
Yeah. I mean, you watch any of their videos, it's...
What they use.
What Fonzie uses in all his videos.
Hey.
Hey.
So you got all that in there, a little mixer.
Yeah. I mean,
so that's that. So you got the whole kit, and then you got paint too, right?
I got paint.
Making your way downtown, you know?
Yeah. Walking fast. This is fast. So...
Those are containers of paint, huh?
Yeah.
So what colors did you get? Oh, we got spray cans.
Yeah, so this is... oh, that's a great question.
Clear?
No, actually, these are, I believe...
This is, well, cleaner.
That's the pre-dip spray. I believe these are for my wheel kit.
Like a prep kit?
No, I believe these are for the wheel kit for the Subaru.
Oh, okay.
I want to say that this is...
Oh, Hulk punched this one, so...
Yeah. But we are doing... where is it?
Nardo Gray?
Nardo Gray. Yeah.
Woo!
Nardo Gray.
We'll do it on the Audi?
On the Audi, yeah.
Oh,
It's got some pretty bad paint in some spots. So
might as well do it.
Yeah, but this pre-dip spray used to clean everything. Microfibre towel.
And then it's just more paint in here?
I think. I don't know.
Yeah, all the paint?
Yeah, so more avalanche gray base coat.
Okay.
For primer-ish, whatever, and then
avalanche
Nardo
gray, Nardo gray.
Nardo Gray.
Nardo Gray, so 2 of 2.
So
dude, that's sick.
2 and 3, yeah.
Good work, man.
Yeah.
That's gonna be legit. Now we gotta make our own like little paint booth in here, like a collapsible one.
Yeah, I was thinking about just doing something with some PVC pipe.
Yeah, just make like a tent, pretty much. Sick. Well, dude, have you seen the shop since we reorganized?
No, not yet.
You like it?
Yeah, it looks dope.
We got benches set up. Guys, I went and got all the oil for the Speed 6, all the break-in oil. I'm running nothing but Penn grade, Brad Penn oil. This is SA30 break-in. It's super high in zinc. And yeah, dude.
Tree trunks?
Yeah. Tree trunks for a bench. So I got all the break-in fluid, break-in oil, and then I got the actual oil we're gonna run, which is a 1040. So kind of just getting stuff set up, but yeah, air compressor's probably gonna sneak somewhere in there. And
we got a 100-foot hose, so
yeah, it'll be legit. All right, guys, I've been working on the Speed 6 here. And we've come up with some plans, and this is what I'm gonna do, I think. I'm gonna talk to Michael Ray about the crash bar, but I think I'm going to not run the intercooler piping over the top of the engine anymore. I think we're gonna make some custom piping. I think I'm gonna order just a bunch of 2.5-inch aluminum and build us a new piping setup, because I think I'm gonna face the turbo down and get some piping running below here and come out over here still and come out front. So I'm thinking either the Treadstone intercooler that has the same side entry and exit, so we can bring the pipes in on the same side. That way we leave the over the top real pretty looking. These coils are gonna turn and hook up in our plate and all that stuff and look pretty. So I'd rather just do that. And that way, you know, we have room up top to do everything. I think that'll be the best route. And I think since we're not in a rush, I think I'm gonna take my time and do that. I'm gonna get my buddy over here that TIG welds really well. And I think we're gonna make some piping on it and just do that. Turbo is going to be on the way. I'm ordering it this week. And that'll be here. And then be ready to go, really. I got all my fluids right here, but minus the coolant, ready to go. So I just need to go get some coolant, fill up the power steering, brake fluid, all that stuff, and just be ready to rock. I mean, I don't need the PI to start the thing, although, you know, the PI will be done fairly shortly. I'm pretty stoked on it. Got our compressor over here hooked up, that's going, and we just got to get 2 new fittings for that. And Corey got the wheel dollies all set up, so these are ready for the RX-8 when it comes back. And that way we can push that thing around and have full maneuverability with that thing. So it's going well. Corey's fixing the steering wheel plastics on the Speed 3 because they were not seated properly. So he's just doing that real quick. So we're about to head out. Gonna go home, grab some dinner, and call it good. Got the banners all hooked up here. Damon up there. So that's really the update. Like I said, intake pump's done. Just gotta get the turbo on here and figure out the downpipe, wastegate screamer, and intercooler piping. I think my buddy Andy might ask him if he can come here one day when I have all the material and we can just knock it out, tack it all up, get it out of the car, and he can final weld everything and make it look good. And then all the hot side will come off, go to powder coating, get Cerakoted, and then whatever intercooler pipes we change up, those can get powder coated as well. That way it's like super legit, ready to go. Then there'd be no taking it apart for this and that. It'll just be ready to rock, and that'll be it. I'm pretty pumped with the way it's coming along, and we all can't wait to see it come together. But very soon the RX-8 will be in here, and we'll be looking at that and getting rolling on that. So I really want to get the rest of the stuff I need for the 6 to get that all buttoned up so we can start focusing on the RX-8 as well. So super pumped. I think the next step after all that is to really detail this car, like buff the paint, maybe do some ceramic coat, whatever, and get it wrapped up. But I think that's gonna do it. I appreciate you guys watching as always. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already, because like I said, there's just so much content that we have to do. It's nuts, and it's just never gonna stop. So this build is slowly finishing up, and that car, I'm not sure, might have a new owner this week. Not quite positive, but there'll be another car immediately following it. I can guarantee you that. And then the RX-8 coming in. So thanks for watching. Appreciate you. I hope you guys are enjoying these new shop videos. I absolutely love it. It's so nice to come in here and be able to work in a t-shirt when it's freezing outside. And it's really, really nice. But I appreciate you guys. Until next time, we'll see you later. Peace.